Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can use multiple cameras for your recording, live streaming, whatever you want to do, without having an stream deck or without having even an ATEM mini for free of cost. So let's start. As I told you, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and use multiple cameras without having an ATEM mini or anything, any expensive stuff. All you need to do for that is, this is my main camera where you can see me now. This is my main camera. And if I go like this, you, if I go over here and I change the camera angle, you can see that I'm having the desk angle. By example, if I have this over here, I can use it for unboxing or various, if I want to display any product, if I want to take a thumbnail or anything like that, I can go ahead and do that. So what I've done for that is I have gone ahead and mounted a webcam just over here, and I'll be showing you that in a minute how I've done that. And even then, if I want a left hand side view, I do have a left cam also over here. As you can see, this is the left cam in which you can see me now. It's a Lenovo FHD cam. I did make a unboxing video of that. In this, you'll be able to see even the mic arm over here, on which I put my overhead camera, which you will be able to see over here. And this the mic which I'm using, it's a Mauna mic. So now, till now, what I have shown you is the main cam, the overhead cam, and the left cam. Now let's go ahead and see even the right hand side cam. Let me shift that. So this is the right hand side cam in which you'll be able to see the whole view. That is, you'll be able to see the behind, how it is. You'll be able to see my desk, how it is. You'll be able to see the different mic and everything, my system, and various other things. So we are mounted till now 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras. There is a fifth camera, but I use it very rarely, so I have not mounted yet. But I do have one more cam which you'll be liking. Actually, it's called the left with the table. So in this, you'll be able to see the left cam as well as the table over here. So if I'm talking like this, I'll be able to do that. So let me get back to the main cam, and you'll be wondering how this is possible. I'll just show you that. I'm using a program called as OBS. Let me go ahead and show you in that. Just give me a minute. So this is the display capture which I'm using in the OBS, and in the left hand side you'll be able to see the various scenes over here. The spanner, overhead, left, right, left with the table, and various other scenes are there over here. So now you can see me in main cam. Now you can see like there's a countdown overhead, and various scenes are present over here, and I can shift in between cameras by using just this display capture. And for example, if I go to the Chrome, let me show you that. Let me show you about the program also. So this is the display capture which I showed you. Now I'm going to the Chrome, and please check this program out. It's called OBS. Just type in OBS, that's more than enough. And the first program will come as OBS software. That's open broadcasting software. Download it for Windows or Mac according to your use. And by using that, you'll be able to do this. And now I'll also show you something new in this. So if you go ahead and see the settings over there, you have various video inputs, audio inputs, however you can go ahead and set it. And not, you can go ahead and set according to your preferences, but I prefer going ahead and doing it manually. And now I'll just show you the hotkeys. Like example, for up it is for the stream, and studio mode is number pad plus, and there are various other options over here. We will go just change. Now you can see there are various other options. We will go and change few of them. Like for panna, we will make it to number pad 1. I'm just using a numeric number pad. I'm just changing all that to that. I'll be showing you that also, and we'll change display capture also to number pad delete. Left for the left cam, we'll change it to number pad 3. Number pad 5 for the same, and overhead we will change it to 2, and so on and so forth. We are just going to change everything, 3, 4, etc. And we can change various other options over here. So how I've gone ahead and done this is, let me just show you if I can. Okay, I've just got a normal number pad. I've just gone ahead and set according to that. So if I show you, I can go ahead and change the camera angle by this. And this is the number pad which I have. A normal keypad or number pad will be more than enough. See, third cam is this cam over here. In this you'll be able to see the number pad which I have over here, and I have just designed it myself. I don't have a stream deck or ATEM mini or anything like that. By going ahead and just spending about 200 rupees, I made this. So in this you can see all the cams getting switched. So all the cams are getting switched automatically by just using the number pad, and I can add any other cameras, any other displays or anything else also in this. So let me switch back to the main cam. So it's as simple as this. And if you do have any questions regarding this, please comment down so that I can go ahead and respond to that, and it would help the channel also. And please do leave a like, as it helps the YouTube to send out this video to whoever requires it for their setup. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day, and do subscribe. Thank you.